Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have something for you pretty special. Now this just here is the Toyota Hilux Invincible, but not just any Toyota Hilux. This is the 50th anniversary edition. They only made 50 of these specific ones. This is the 7th one off the production line. There is a little plaque among the interior just here to show you that. Now this does also come with an automatic transmission, cruise control, hands-free cooling and also voice assist, as well as satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto upon the screen, as well as air conditioning just below. This does also come with 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and also low range. Two 12-volt power sockets within there, as well as USB charging. And if I do just open up the cover just here, we do also have on the inside an AC mains power outlet as well. And I will just show you the back seats as well on this 50-year model. I do just pop down the middle, but just here we do of course have an armrest, 2 cup holders for the rear passengers, and I will just show you the load area in the back. We do of course get this lovely racking on the back here supporting the big full beams up there, which I will also show you in a moment. This does also come with a reversing camera shown just there. This is extremely helpful for when it comes to those tight little parking spaces to get a lovely big vehicle like this in there. As you can see, we do have lots of room in the bed just here. Lovely cover on top as well. And we do, of course, have a tow bar just there. Now, coming around here, you do have to have your full beam on to activate the lights on top. And it's quite a simple case of just pressing the roof lighting button just there. And they are lovely and bright. They aren't flickering. That's just the camera doing that work. This does also come with power heating, lane assist, and auto collision to alert you of that if you start to nod off on the road. This does also come with different power modes: eco, normal and power, optimizing your fuel usage for your driving style of choice. Now if you would like to find out more about this Toyota Hilux 50th anniversary edition, then please do feel free to head over to our website. It's in the description of this video, anchorcars.co.uk or anchorvans.co.uk, or you can come visit our site in Padworth, talk to our lovely sales team about it, take this out for a test drive. You never know, one day this may be yours and it may be working for you.